So guys, for the first method, you're going to hit it with search and type in troubleshoot settings. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on other troubleshooters. Now you want to find Windows Update. Click on run. And now this will come up, the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Wait for this to load. And then once that's been done, if it detects anything, it will try to fix it for you. See if that fixes your problem. If that's still not working, then for the second method, you're going to hit it with search and type in CMD. Now you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once this comes up, you're going to type in sfc space / scan now, and then click on enter. Then you want to run the scan. Wait for this to load. I'm going to skip the video to when the scan will be fully completed. And now you're going to type in dism space / online space / cleanup dash image space / restore health. Click on enter again. You now want to run this scan as well. Wait for this to load. And then once that's been done, you just want to restore your computer. And then this should now fix your problem.